Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to share creative ideas and DIY projects to beautify your space. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest tutorials, tips, and inspiration. Join our community and start transforming your home today with endless crafting possibilities. Throws to make your garden inviting during cooler evenings. Fall garden decor helps you embrace decorating your home with handcrafted pieces adds a personal touch that mass-produced items simply cannot match. At Sari 11, we provide a variety of DIY projects suitable for all skill levels, from simple, quick crafts to more elaborate decor installations. Our step-by-step guides are easy to follow, ensuring everyone can create stunning results. The beauty of craft and decor lies in their versatility, and at Sari 11, we celebrate this diversity. Our collection includes ideas inspired by different cultures, seasons, and themes, allowing you to tailor projects to your preferences. For example, explore bohemian wall art, rustic centerpieces, or elegant floral arrangements. We also highlight seasonal projects for holidays and special occasions, helping you create memorable moments with handmade decor. No matter your taste or skill level, our Inspiration Hub provides endless options to personalize your space and make every corner feel special. Our expert tips cover a wide range of techniques, from basic knotting and painting to advanced embroidery and woodworking. Whether you're learning a new skill or refining an existing one, our resources are designed to empower you. We believe that everyone has a creative spark, and with the right guidance, you can unlock your full potential. Join our community and grow your craft repertoire with us. We host community events where craft lovers can come together to exchange ideas, showcase their work, and learn from each other. Our online platform features a gallery of user-submitted projects, inspiring others with unique perspectives and innovative techniques. Building a supportive and inspiring community is at the core of our mission, fostering creativity and friendship. Together, we can celebrate the joy of making and inspire a new wave of talented artisans. Sustainability and affordability are key principles guiding our project choices. We aim to make crafts accessible to everyone, regardless of budget or skill level. Our curated selection of materials emphasizes local and affordable sources, ensuring that anyone can start creating without breaking the bank. We also promote the idea that beautiful decor doesn't have to be expensive. Inspiration is all around us, and at Sari 11, we encourage you to look for it everywhere. Whether it's a walk in nature, a visit to a market, or a trip to a thrift store, every experience can spark new ideas. Our platform features stories of how everyday moments translate into creative projects, inspiring you to find beauty. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm for creativity. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest projects, tips, and ideas. Your encouragement inspires us to continue sharing beautiful crafts. Thanks for being part of our creative community.